Make a note for future reference. Don't come down here at 3 o'clock. Look out for those cracks there too. We just passed the road that turns to Pete, the old P-Tech. Rainforest. Hope it turns to 2 lanes soon. It's been a while since I've been down here. This is a dumb time to be on this dumb time. Lots of traffic. Here we go. Free advertising. Get your head out of the cloud. I can't yell in here. Somebody's here. I'm just freaking out. Just joking, man. So there was talk about these bike lanes here. I almost hit that guy on an electric bike up there. Coming off the tunnel. If I didn't stop for something, I would have hit him. Looks like there's an accident up here. Turn right into the power station. Get it on. Then
Total
let's
distance
go.
10 miles.
49th Street. I have skinnier tires, so I'm a little bit more scared to ride. Nervous to ride down this area. The trail was supposed to go back there to the right somewhere. But we'll go down to Gandy and we'll see what's up. I don't really like going on Almerton. Yeah, that accident. Geez, it's in the bike lane. I don't think I can get around. Car accident right there. I don't want to film it. I don't know if I cut through there. It's pushing me to the left. That place. Oh, Amazon delivery. To the left there. Nice, man. That was pretty close, wasn't it? PSTA. I don't know, why am I riding on the sidewalk now? You get scared? Yep. Pinella shooting range. That's where the LKQ place is. So the shooting range is right behind us. The trail's supposed to come down this way. Let me do a little loop around. Check this right out. Check it out on the map. We're gonna go left here. It smells like oil, like gasoline here. Welcome to Pinellas Park. Taking a left here.
Total distance 13 miles.
Okay, so we're going to the left as soon as we get a chance. Now we're in a bike lane, so what road is this? We gotta take a note. We made it in one piece. Now we just gotta look out for the sugar sand, right? Hey, this is the one that freaks me out though. Going both ways. Flying both ways. Can't see past that sign. Thank you. I guess it's better just to wait for somebody to stop. What's my distance now? We're almost at 15. The 15 miles down to Gandy Boulevard. I know where we want to ride. We want to ride to the beach. We can do that. Gandy Boulevard Beach.
Total distance 15 miles.
Okay, we're gonna go to the beach today. So we're down at Gandy Boulevard. You have to go left. There's no way to get across that. There. Let's go to the next intersection here. Go check out the beach area down there. So we can't go down that way because we'll be going against traffic. I want to get out to the Gandy Causeway thing. Trail out there. But we've never been out there. Don't think anybody's turning. I'd rather be in the bike lane here. We'll cross here. Thank you. Alright, let's go. We want to get in the bike lane. I don't want to go through all this. I've been on that sidewalk before. It's not as cool. It's not that cool. What I want to do is get on the trail on the left side of the road here, Gandy Road. This isn't a big bike lane. I don't see a trail over there yet. Probably starts past the Greyhound track.
Total distance 16 miles. Total time 1 hour 22 minutes and 36 seconds. Time of day 3:56. Smooth speed 11.4 miles per hour.
That probably starts past the Greyhound track. I'll just keep an eye out over there. Okay, we got a sidewalk over there. Might start right around here. I'll stop and take a look. My glasses. I definitely want to check out over there, right? Ready, set, go. Bleep, 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 bleep. Somebody's burning a car around here. Burning tires. Here it is. I found the trail. I found the trail. I went across the right intersection. It's right before the Goodwill. Peridot Palms. Peridot Palms, or Peridot. Check it out. Oh, nice, huh? This will take you out to the Gandy Causeway, Gandy Boulevard Causeway. I guess it's called Causeway. I've never been on this side. There's the road you take to the right to go down towards the Presbyterian Church that connects to the Pinellas Trail. Riviera Bark 2. This is neat. 16.68. So we could just say 16.5 or just under 16.5 on this one. You can already feel like I'm at the beach. Right next to Tampa Bay's Channel 10 broadcast station. I don't have the thing to pull the camera off, so I can move the camera around. This is nice. Not the car in front of me, but St. Petersburg, Gandy Boulevard Trail. traveled on 18 miles.
Total distance 18 miles.
There we go, got some water. Come your way. We got the wind behind us now. I think it's coming to an end here. Aww. That'd be it. We're at 1879 here. 18.79 miles. There's a road here. Just because of the trail line, it doesn't mean we can stop. I don't see any traffic going down this way. I know it's going to end right there, but I want to come and see if there's a beach down here or something. There is some kind of beach area here. And I hit 19 miles here from where I started at Enterprise.
Total distance 19 miles. Total time 1 hour 35 minutes and 14 seconds. Time of day 4:11. Split speed 14.3 miles per hour.
That's good. We got 38 miles. I mean, we'll get 38 miles going back. Oh, man, we're so close to that Tampa. Oh, okay. We wouldn't want to drive down West Shore anyway. Too dangerous. Okay, we're heading back. This was a fun ride. It'll be fun when they open the Howard Franklin Bridge for cyclists too. Put the trail on that.